Hello.
Hello,
Hi.
teacher.
Hi, good evening, Ngok. Welcome again to our class. So, how are you today, Ngok?
Good.
You're good. Did you already eat your dinner?
Yes.
Yes. Wow, that's good to know. So, are you ready for our new lesson? Wow, what's that? That's Chupa Chups.
Yes.
Is that candy or the bubble gum or the lollipop?
Um,
A candy?
um, it um it's,
Bubble gum?
yes. It's
Oh, a
a
bubble gum. I don't know that Chupa Chups also has a bubble gum. Okay, so for this one, are you ready for our new lesson for today, Ngok?
Yes.
Yes, so for this lesson, so we are still at Unit 2, which is, what is our Unit 2?
It's
All about home or house. So for this one, for this lesson, lesson 3, we are in our lessons 3, which is story and listening. So we will have a story here that we will listen to. So let's go and listen to our story. So for this,
Listening 9.
can you hear the sound?
yes.
Yes? Okay, so let's listen with the story. Okay, I will play.
Listen and read. Then act. 1,
Mum, where's my phone?
Is it in the living room?
No, Mum.
2,
Well, is it in the dining room?
No, it isn't. And it isn't in the hall.
3,
Oh, I don't know. Is it in your bedroom, Sam?
No, Mum.
4,
Listen.
It's under the mat in the bathroom.
Oh, Sam.
Okay, so for this story, Ngok, what happens in the story? What happened in
Mm,
our the first scenario? What is the object that this boy is finding?
um, Mom, Mim, Ray, my phone.
Phone. So the phone is what the boy is finding. So let's read this one. So let's have a quick role play. So you will be the mom or the mommy, and teacher will be the boy. So let us practice our reading. So, Mom, where's my phone? Let's read. You will be the mom, and teacher will be the boy.
Is it in the living room?
No,
No, ma'am.
mom. No, mom.
No.
Next. Next. It's your turn. You are the mom, the mommy.
Mm.
Where?
Well, is it in the dining room?
No, it isn't. And it isn't in the hall. Next.
Mm. Mm. Wait.
Oh, okay, sure.
Oh, I don't count.
Is it?
Is in your bedroom, son?
No, mom. Next. Listen.
Mm.
Let's read this one. Listen.
Listen.
Okay, it's under the mat in the bathroom. And you will say, oh, oh, Sam. So for this one, Ngok, so this is the story that we have for today. So the phone is the object that Sam, this boy, is finding. And where, where did Sam found his phone? Where is the phone?
The phone is um, under
Is
the under the mat.
in what room? What room? It's in the
Is in the bathroom.
Yes, very good. So it's under the mat in the bathroom. Very good. So for this story, so we will use the sentence here in our story to answer some of the questions. So let's go with our next page. Okay. So I will be the one, so teacher will be the one to ask you a question, and you will say, for teacher, what is the room or where is the object? So this one is what room is this, Ngok?
This is the bedroom.
Very good. How about this one? What room is this?
This is our bathroom.
Good job. How about this one?
This is our living room.
Living room. And how about this?
This is a kitchen.
Very good. This is the kitchen. So now, let's answer some question. So where are the pillows? Where are the pillows?
The pillow is in the bed.
Very good. So do we use is or do we use the preposition in or on?
Mm.
In or on. So when we say in, so it is inside something. When we say the preposition on, so it is the top, in the top of the something. So should we use in or on? The pillows are on the bedroom or the pillows are in the bedroom or the bed? What do we will use?
Pillow is on the bed.
Yes, very good. So the pillows are on the bed. So good job because as we can see, so can you circle where is the pillow? No. Can you circle where is the pillow? Or where are the pillows? Yes, very good. So as we can see, so the pillows are on the top of the bed. So we will use the preposition on. So good job. So next, is this pillows or in the or are in the bedroom?
Mm.
Yes or no? Is the pillows are in the bedroom? Yes or no?
No. No.
No? It's not in the bedroom?
No.
What
It. Yes.
what yes. So yes. So you will answer yes,
Mm.
it is. Yes,
So
it
yes,
is.
it is.
Yes, very good. So this pillow is in the bedroom. Very good. So next, where is the table?
Mm.
Where is
Mm.
the table?
Table is in the kitchen.
Very good. The table. So where can we see the table? Is it where where can we see? Is it next to the boy? Is it under the boy?
Um,
The table is next to. So next to
the boy.
Yes, very good. So the table is next to the boy. How about this one? Is this not a table? It is also what is this? Is this a
This
table?
is
That is also a table.
this.
Yes. So where is this? Hello. Hello again, Ngok. So let's go back with our lesson. So for this one, is this a table? This one, is this also a table?
Yes,
Yes. And
it's
where?
two.
Yes,
It's
there are two
two.
tables. So where is this table? It is where is this
This
table?
is
Table is next to what?
next to the
Next to the
window.
window. Very good. The table is next to the window. So is this table in the bathroom? Yes or no?
Huh?
Is the table in the bathroom?
No,
Yes or no?
no,
No.
no.
Yes or no? No, it
Is
isn't. No, it is not. Very good. So next, where is the curtain? Where is the curtain?
the curtain is the curtain is mm,
Mhm.
next to the next to the table.
It's next to the table. Very good. The curtain is next to the table. Next, is this in the bedroom?
Mm,
Is the curtain in the bedroom? Yes or no?
curtain.
Yes. Can you circle where is the curtain?
Okay, wait a minute. Wait.
Where is the curtain? Circle. Very good. Is the curtain in the bedroom? Yes or no? Is it in the bedroom?
No. Wait, no.
No.
Yeah, no, 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 no.
What is the
Um,
answer? Is it in the bedroom? What room is
yes, it.
Yes. Yes, it is. Good job. So yes, it is. How about the picture? Where is the picture?
Mm, this is
Very good. So where is the picture?
mm,
What preposition we will use?
mm,
The picture is
the picture is next to the TV.
next to the TV. Very good. The picture is next to the TV. Is this in the or is the picture in the bedroom? Yes or no?
Mm. Room?
Is the picture in the bedroom?
No,
No. So no, it. What we will answer? No, it
isn't.
isn't. Very good. No, it isn't. How about the mirror? Where is the mirror?
Mm. This is
Yes, where is the mirror? What preposition we will use if something is above something?
what?
We will
How?
use
Over
over. Yes, so where is the mirror? The mirror is
a mirror on over the sky.
sink. One more time, let's say sink.
sink.
Very good. So the mirror is over the sink. So when we use the preposition over, so it means that something is above something. So the sink, so the mirror, as we can see, it is above the sink. So we will use the preposition over. So next one, let's go with our next page. Okay, so for our next question, Ngok, where are the pots and pans? Where
Mm,
are the pots and pans? This one. Where is it?
This is
Where? Very good. And what preposition will we use? So it's
mm,
inside something.
the pounds and pens is
Are, we will use are because
is in the cabinet.
very good. So for this one, Ngok, so we will use the plural. So we will use
Yeah.
are. Yes, we will use are instead of is. Because as we can see there are more than one pots and pans. So we will use are, okay, instead of is. So the pots and pans are in the cabinet. So very good. Very good for the preposition use. So next. Next is where is the sink?
Mm, is in is and
Where is it? What preposition we will use? The sink is? What preposition we will use if we are talking about?
is in this way.
Yes, very good. Where is the sink? What preposition we will use when we are talking about something is below something? We will use on. We will use what preposition?
Um, mm,
This one. What preposition is this? This is
is
under.
the skin is next to the
Is it
toilet.
next? Yes. How about this one? So the mirror is the nearest to the sink. So we will use the preposition under. So under. So the sink is under the mirror. So as we can see, the sink is below the mirror. So we will use the preposition under. So that will be our preposition. But good job, good try. So next, is this or is the sink in the bedroom? Yes or no?
Mm.
Is this
Mm,
is this
no,
in
it isn't.
Yes, perfect. Very good. No, it isn't. So next, let's go with our next object. Where is the mat?
The mat is mm,
The mat is Where is
mat.
the mat?
The mat is in the mm, living room.
In the living room. And can you tell where is it exactly? It is below the dog. So
Mm,
the mat is below the dog in the living room. So what preposition will we use?
the
The
mat
preposition.
is under the dog.
Yes, very good. Perfect job. So the mat is under the dog. Good job. So next, where is the bed?
Um, Mm, mm.
Where is the bed?
The bed is in the bedroom.
Bed.
Bedroom.
Very good. And where is it? Is it behind the boy or in front of the boy?
A boy. This
Be-
is a boy.
the,
The bed is next to.
is it next to? In
No.
front of the boy or behind the boy?
The boy is
The
in.
bed is
The bed is in front of the boy.
very good. So the bed is in front of the boy. So good job. So next, let's have the oven. Where is the oven?
Mm,
Where is the oven?
mm,
The oven. Where is the oven?
oven.
Is it in the is the oven in the bedroom? Yes or no?
Mm,
Is it in the bedroom? Yes or no?
mm, no.
No. So
Oven.
the oven is, where is the oven?
The oven is in the kitchen.
Kitchen. Very good. And where is it exactly? Is it
Mm,
is it in front of the chair or behind the chair?
behind the chair.
Very good. So what is the preposition? The oven is behind the chair. So it is behind the chair. So next, let's go with our next page. Okay. So now Ngok, where is the television or TV? Where is the television?
When the television is in the living room.
Living room. And where is it exactly? Is it on the table or in the table?
The television is in the
Where is it exactly? The television is on the table or in the table?
kitchen. Is mm,
On the table or in the table?
mm,
What
in
preposition we will use? So remember Ngok,
the
we
television is on the table.
yes, very good. So the television is on the table. So remember, so we will use the preposition when the object is at the top of something. We will use the preposition on. So the television is on the table. So good job. So next, where is the toothbrush?
First, sure, yeah,
Yes, where is it? It's
it
in
is
so
in the mouth.
in the mouth. Very good. So we will use the preposition in because it's inside the mouth. It is being used by the boy. So very good. Next, where is the toilet?
Mm, this is a toilet.
Where is it? Is it
Toilet.
in front of the sink, next to the sink, behind the sink? What preposition we will use?
A toilet is in front of the wall.
In front of the wall. Wow, very good. The toilet is in front of the wall. Good job. So next, where is the bath?
Mm. Mm-hmm.
Where is the bath?
Uh, 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 huh?
Yes, it is the bathtub. Bathtub. Very good. Where is it?
Hmm.
The bath is it in front of the boy or behind the boy or next to the boy? What preposition we will use? In
Math,
front.
math. This is math.
Yes, that is math.
Mm.
Yes. Where is the bath? The bath is under the mat, un-
Is
under the mat or over the mat?
on
It's on
over.
over. Very good. Over the mat. Good job. So next, where? Oh, so we have here the curtains earlier. So where is the lamp?
Hmm. There, like.
Yes. Where is it exactly?
Hmm.
Is it
The name is
in front of, next to?
next to the dog.
Very good. Next to the dog. Good job. The lamp is next to the dog. So good job for this activity. So now let's answer some. So let's complete the words here. Let's first listen with the words and match it. In what room or what place can we see this objects? So let's first listen. Ah, what is that?
Mm.
Let's first listen.
Mm. What? Mm. Mm.
Okay, so for our first picture, what do you call that one in the picture?
Mm.
These are number one. What are these? These
Your
are
flower.
flowers. Very good. And where can we see flowers? Where can we see flowers?
Flower.
What place? What place can we see flowers?
Mm.
Is it
I
letter A,
see
B,
flower.
C, or D? What
See,
place? C. What
see.
is letter C?
Mm. Golden.
Garden. Very good. Can you write the word garden?
Golden.
Yes. Good job. Garden. So next, let's listen to number 2.
Huh? Think so. Huh? Nice.
Oh, you
3,
cannot listen?
Is
Okay.
there nice? I like
Oh,
flowers too. Flowers.
okay.
We've got a nice garden.
Number 2.
2,
This is number 2.
And look,
Okay.
there's a nice picture in the kitchen. Where's the picture? In the kitchen. Oh, okay.
Okay, so what is our second object?
Picture
Picture. Very good. And what place can we see the picture?
is the
It's,
living room.
huh? In the living room? In what we have listen this one. Let's listen again.
There's a nice picture in the kitchen. Where's the picture? In the kitchen. Oh, okay.
Okay, where is the picture, Ngok? In the sound. Where
In the
is it?
kitchen.
In the kitchen. Very good. What letter is the kitchen? Can you draw a line? Number 2 and letter D, draw a line like this. So let's match. Very good. So for this one, Ngok, so we will end our lesson here. So because we do not have much time, but we will continue this one in our next class. Okay? So thank you very much for your time today, Ngok. And see you again soon, Ngok. Bye-bye. So we will continue this, okay? We will continue this next time. Bye bye.